Icy snow.
Ice or something. Pelt, maybe it's it's those other things. What do you call them?
Sleet.
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 Yeah.
We got some sleet going on.
Wow.
Yo.
Hopefully the weather's halfway decent tomorrow. I want to clean Lauren's car.
It's supposed to be, but it's going to be cold though. It's not going to be windy, but not as windy as today.
Yeah, I'll clean.
But only 44.
I'll do the leaves and clean her car tomorrow. I'm going to be busy tomorrow, just cleaning and getting ready for Lauren. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see her. I am like...
That's probably the first time you guys be away from each other.
It's the first time she has been away. I go away a fair bit for work.
We're getting sleet and snow right now.
So she has to suffer with this all the time.
I don't know how we're getting sleet. It has to be at least 32 or below.
So no, remember in the clouds it can be it can be freezing up there. So it's really cold.
Yep.
So it might be, these things might be below zero as they're falling and they're warming up.
Look at that snow.
But they're not warming up fast enough.
Fast enough. That's why they ain't melted.
Yeah. But yeah, we made the best of it, Oscar and I. Brewed a bunch of beer together.
Say hi to the camera.
Oscar.
Little Oscar.
Little Oscar
He's
Meyer.
been a good boy.
This is our first snow of the year.
I think you're right. I don't think
there's snow, John.
I don't think it's gonna call it snow though. It's just a little.
It's snow too.
Yeah.
Because I see white.
Pellets. This,
I think they're gonna call this a flurry, not a snowfall.
No, this is definitely not a snow squall. This is a mix of
freezing rain. That's all.
Yeah.
sleet, snow, and rain.
Freezing rain.
Oh. Hey now. Holy moly.
Yeah. Oh, something happened up here in the parking lot.
Veterans Day thing?
Today? Oh.
Yeah, see, it's a Veterans Day thing.
Oh. Coming down, boy.
Is today Veterans Day? Is it Veterans Day today?
Wait a minute.
I think
It's Sunday. It's Sunday, but then they're gonna do it Monday.
But they're doing some kind
They're
of
doing the holiday on Monday.
Oh.
Well, as far as the banks and things closed and stuff. Schools, Monday.
We're open.
Yeah, usually those holidays for banks and schools.
Yep.
I'm thinking.
It's like my boss, so we only have like 6 or 7 days off a year. We have like the big ones, the Christmases, the Thanksgivings. And so, but my boss's wife works as a school teacher in Longmeadow. And so she was saying something like she didn't have enough time to do such and such. And he's like, "Are you kidding me? You have more time off than anybody I know."
Wait a minute.
So I'll be waiting for you guys in the car.
What?
Gonna wait?
You ain't coming in?
No.
Now it's snowing, Mom. Look at this.
Now, are we gonna sit down and eat it?
Holy
We're
cow.
gonna eat in your car.
Yeah, no,
I'm back in the car. I'm gonna clean the car tomorrow.
You guys can do
Get out
whatever
so I
you
can
want. I
Ooh.
will be okay.
Not that wind. Not that wind. Now, this is what I film, guys. Yo! Yo! We're getting a mix of snow and wind right now. Oh. Oh, okay. That's enough for today. I'll probably... if it gets crazier, I'll film another part and it'll be the Jelly Dolls Same Weather Part 3.